Hi, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the products that I use on my hair. If that sounds interesting to you, please keep watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights.
Number one, shampoos. I have two shampoos that I use, and I have this Gold Series Moisture Boost shampoo. I hope it can focus. So this is the most current shampoo that I started using I think 3 months ago, and just like it says that it's a moisture boost, it really does give you the moisture as you wash your hair. You don't feel your hair is stripped of any moisture, so that's one reason as to why I love it. And then the other shampoo that I love most is this, and that is the ORS Creamy Aloe Vera shampoo. It does contain aloe vera, and that's like a plus because it just makes it feel more natural to me, and it really does a good job at washing my hair. I started using this from the time I went natural, that is 3 years ago, and both of these do contain sulfates, and you may even wonder what are sulfates, because in the hair care movement there is this whole thing of sulfate shampoos dry your hair. Do not use the sulfate shampoos, you need to use non-sulfate shampoos. Well, for me, I do love those that have sulfates, and that's because if you don't know what even a sulfate is, sulfates are like detergents or surfactants. So what sulfates do is they act on this hair surface and remove any sebum, any dirt, or any product residue that was created from all the products that you have been adding into your hair. And that lather that you tend to get when you use a shampoo, it could be so much lather in that foam that you see, that is literally a sulfate that is producing all that. So sulfates are literally used in body care, in toothpaste, in hair care. So they're used in several beauty products mostly, and they're really not bad in my own opinion because they're meant to clean. So I really do not mind using a sulfate shampoo because this takes me to number 2, deep conditioning. So the next step after washing my hair is I deep condition my hair. That's why I do not mind using any sulfate shampoos, because even if my hair dries, I'm definitely going to deep condition my hair. And this is the deep conditioner that I use. This is called Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I hope I pronounced it well. I'm not really sure about the pronunciation, but yeah, this is the one that I use. I'll leave all the products that I've mentioned in the description box below, so if you want to check them out, you definitely can. And yeah, so I love it because it does contain so much sleep, and you can easily detangle your hair with it, and also it does add a lot of moisture in your hair. I do love to use my hair masks DIYs, but whenever I'm not in the mood to do my DIYs, I'll definitely go in with this deep conditioner. I think it's very common in the natural hair community. So many people seem to love it, and yeah, it really does a good job. If you're struggling to find a deep conditioner, you could try out this, because for the longest time I had failed to find a deep conditioner for my hair, and I resorted to doing my own hair masks because I couldn't find that right deep conditioner for my hair. But when I started using this, that was last year in May, I sincerely liked it, but it will only work on my hair when it is extremely wet, under running water, to be specific, under running water. That is when this product will sink into my hair and give me that sleep. Minus that, if I put it on dry hair, it really won't give me the results that I want. Number 3, leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioner that I use is the Contour Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. I'm sure these are common products that you have been seeing around. I previously was using the Contour Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, but last year I got a protein overload and my hair got damaged, and for that reason that Contour Shea Butter just stopped working for me. And it did contain coconut oil, and my hair is very sensitive to coconut oil, but before it was working okay. However, after getting that protein overload, the coconut oil just could not work for me anymore in my hair because it's also a protein. So I had to switch to the argan oil one. I had to switch to this one that has argan oil, and it really does a good job. However, I only use it when my hair is damp or dry. Whenever I try to use it on extremely wet hair, my hair just freezes for some reason. If you have any products that don't work for your hair, maybe when your hair is wet, try using them when your hair is dry, and vice versa. So just never throw them out. Our hair, I don't know how or why, but for some reason certain products can work for your hair when it's wet and cannot work for you when your hair is dry, and the other way around. So just keep switching and see when it works best for you. Number 4, the last one, is the sealants. You can use oils, you can use butters, you can use grease. However, for me, I use 2. I have this one. I think you saw it in the last video that I put up. I do use the Blue Magic. It's called Originals, yeah, and I love it because it contains 100% pure castor oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. Those are nice things that I love. So yeah, that's one reason as to why I love it. And especially in the winter, my hair tends to get dry, and whenever I use this, the moisture is kept locked in my hair for a long time, and it also gives me the definition whenever I do my twists. Lastly is this is a butter. So this is the Camille Rose Almond Chai twisting butter. I also tend to use this one. I use this as well on my hair. It's really great. It's not as heavy as this. It's not so greasy. It's not even greasy actually. It's black owned, so that's a plus. I usually use this during the summertime and springtime. That's when I usually use this product, and it really does a great job as well. I think this would also be great for people who don't want their hair to be weighed down. It could do a very good job. If you do not like the grease, you definitely can go for this butter. If you want to check these products out, I'll definitely leave the links below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting me. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.